Hey legal gangsters, this is Sean Lacey, aka Miss Officer. We have another win. As you all can see, this is an order granting expunction of a driving while intoxicated charge. The thing about this one is that it's out of Brazoria County, and we do not assist in other counties. We did assist this young man, but the same law that allows us to assist individuals with their expungements and their record seals is a Texas law. Again, it's a Texas law, so it's for every county in the state of Texas. We just specifically assist in Harris County, but we did assist this young man because he really needed it. But anyway, also look at the date in the yellow circle when it was finalized, January 2024. All right. This is Sean Lacey, aka Miss Officer, signing out. Do not forget, you can purchase your guide at eraseshowrecord.com, and the guide is 30% off on Valentine's Day. All right. Bye-bye.